everyone! Welcome back to the channel. My name is Edina and I'm just so happy to be back in here because finally the lockdown is ended in here in Budapest. So at the moment all the attractions and all the restaurants are open and finally I can create content for you again. So in today's video we are going to check out the downtown area of Budapest and we have so many stuff to see, so we are just going to start the tour in a moment. But before, I want to let you know that if you are new to the channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button right now so you are not going to miss any of the upcoming videos. And right now, let's go! Vaci Street is all about food and shopping. So if you want to buy some good stuff, then you must visit this area, and also don't forget that you don't have to eat before you are coming to here because it's just gonna be so many good stuffs what you will want to try that you will need an empty belly. Let me start with this place behind me where you can find one of the best chimney cake of the city, so give it a try. Vaci Street is one of the oldest and most famous pedestrian walkway in here in Budapest. Actually, it has so many history because already there are 300 years behind when people are walking in here and shopping, and you know, it's a meeting point in the city. And when there is summertime, it's full of tourists, so it's worth to visit this area. If you like architecture, don't forget to look up some times when you are walking on the streets of Budapest. For example, in here, if you just look in front of yourself, you will see a Swarovski and a Douglas. But if you go up a little bit, you will see these beautiful painting and motifs on the building. And in here there are a few beautiful balconies. Look at this. On Vaci Street you can mostly find fast fashion, so like Zara behind me, and in front of me there is a huge Edina, and you can see that there is a Burger King behind me, so there is also fast food, but there are also normal restaurants in here, so don't worry, you will really find so many stuff in here. And if we are just talking about shopping, then let's go into somewhere.
Reboot, I'm cold red, my service automated, like data running through my veins. Got you distracted, subconscious overloaded. Careful, don't pull the cord on me. No time to stay around. Keep walking till you get out of my face. Regrets, restricted access. I'm used to fly to get up.
If you want some cool souvenirs, don't forget to check out this place right here. If you are walking all along the beautiful Vaci Street, you will arrive to the very famous Vorosmarty Square. And in here you will also still find stores and still find restaurants, but there are a few of them which is very important, so let me show you. On the left side of the square you can find the Samos confectionery, which is the most famous Hungarian marzipan, and I really recommend you to check them out. Also, there is a Hard Rock Cafe in here, and there is a little funny story. It was several years when there was no Hard Rock Cafe in Budapest yet, but they were still selling the t-shirts and stuff like this, and tourists were always searching for it. Okay, so where is Hard Rock? But it wasn't. But finally we have it, so no worries, you can go there. On the right side of the square you can find a Vapiano, so if you want to have some Italian food, I recommend you to go there. And behind you can find Marty's, but I already showed you in my breakfast video. I linked to you so you can check it out if you didn't see it yet. It's a great place to have some snack, also some great cocktails, so I recommend you to check them out. But there is one more place what I really want to show you, and we are just going to get inside there. architecture of the building is just beautiful. If you see this ceiling, also the interior, all is just so nice. It's a classic European style. Cafe Gerbeaud is a truly unique place to visit, and I really recommend you to check it out. It's opened its doors for the first time 160 years ago, so this is truly an old confectionery store in here in Budapest. And also back in time it was very popular, as they was very creative, testing new desserts, also a new type of chocolates, so people always loved it. And as you can hear it in the background, there is also live piano music, so it's truly a vibe to sitting in here. Actually, I just can't imagine better on a hot summer sunny day than a good apparel, a good cake, good music, you know, great time in here in Budapest. Another part of this area is Fashion Street, where you can find so many high-end brands and also great restaurants. And there are also some great hotels in here. Just right behind me you can see Ritz-Carlton, and next to me there is Kempinski. So this is a really fancy part of the city. Take a few steps from Vaci Street, you will arrive to Deak Square, which is truly a meeting point in the city. So many people are coming to here to just, to chit chat. There are so many places in here where you can sit out in summertime. Also, there is a place in here called Aquarium, where there are so many concerts, also exhibitions and parties. And in many cases people are just coming to here to have a picnic. You can bring your sandwich, you can bring a bottle of wine and just sitting out in here in the park. So it's a great place just to chill. We have left the Deak Square, and right now our next stop is going to be the very famous Saint Stephen Basilica. And actually this is the third largest church in here in Hungary. So let's go inside and I'm going to tell you more about it. This is a Roman Catholic church built in a classical style, and actually its highest point, it's 96 meters tall. let me tell you a fun fact. Actually, the Parliament and with the 96-meter Basilica was the two highest buildings in here in Budapest, and for many years it was prohibited to build taller buildings than these two. This church was named after our first king, Saint Stephen, and there is a very interesting thing in here. Actually, the right hand of the king is kept in here in the church, and when there are national holidays they also take it outside to show it for the crowd. There is a small box over there. I'm going to go closer and going to show you. You can go up to the lookout by elevator, but right now I was choosing the stairs. In this case I can show you that how beautiful this house is going up. Oh guys, actually these are a lot of stairs, so I recommend you to take the elevator. Or if you didn't do any sport during the day, that's also good. Oh, here we are finally on the upstairs, and you will love this view. From here you can see all the iconic sites of the city. So just right behind me over there, there is the Statue of Liberty, and here is the Eye of Budapest. And if we are going away a little bit farther, over there you can see the Bode Castle, and next to it the Fisherman's Bastion. And right now from this tower you cannot see, but previously I showed you that you can also see the Parliament and the Danube. So this is just really a great view spot, so I highly recommend you to come here up to the lookout of the Basilica. Some fun facts about the Basilica. The two towers together has 6 bells. There are 5 small ones and there is one big one, but this big one is really big. Actually, its weight more than 9,000 kilograms and its diameter it's 2.5 meters, so it's just huge. And it's only used in special occasions, 2 times in a year actually. One is 20th of August, what is national holiday in here in Hungary, and the other day is New Year's Eve. I must say that this view up in here is just incredible, so don't miss it. The ticket is only 1,000 forints, so it's only 3 euros. So come up to here and enjoy it. So this was the downtown of Budapest. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you do, then don't forget to hit that subscribe button right now, also the bell button, so you are not going to miss any of the upcoming videos, and we are going to explore new places next week in the next video. See you!